Dear students, in this video I would like to discuss reasons for introduction of economic reforms or need of economic reforms in India. The first one is rising prices, or you can say inflationary pressure in India. The inflation rate increased from 6.7% to 16.7% due to rapid increase in money supply in the economy, and country's economic position become worse. And second one is rise in fiscal deficit. Government expenditure began to exceed its revenue due to increase in non-planned development expenditure. Fiscal deficit of the government increased. Due to rise in fiscal deficit, there was a rise in public debt and interest. Number 3, Iraq War. In 1990-91, war in Iraq broke, which led to a rise in petrol prices. The flow of foreign currency from Gulf countries to India stopped. Number 4, increase in adverse balance of payments. When foreign exchange falls short for payment, otherwise total imports exceed total exports, problem of adverse balance of payments arise. It is due to the fact that our export goods could not compete in price and quality. So deficit of balance of payments had been rising continuously. It made balance of payments adverse. Fifth one is fall in foreign exchange reserves. Foreign exchange reserves, which the government generally maintains to import petrol and other important items, dropped to very low level. The government was unable to repay its borrowings from abroad. Sixth one is poor performance of public sector undertakings. The performance of the majority of public enterprises was disappointing. They were incurring huge losses because of inefficient management. To curb this crisis, India approached the World Bank and International Monetary Fund for the loan and received $7 million to manage their crisis. The reforms aimed at bringing in greater participation of the private sector in the growth process of the Indian economy. In 1991, the Government of India initiated a series of economic reforms to pull the economy out of the crisis of 1990s. These reforms came to be known as New Economic Policy. Thank you.